Welcome back to Tech Tutors. In this video, we're focusing on activity rules in Pega. These are essential for automating complex process in your Pega applications. Let's begin. So, what exactly are activity rules in Pega? Think of them as mini-programs within your Pega application. Just like traditional coding, activities consist of a sequence of steps executed in order to perform specific tasks. These tasks can range from basic operations like computations, creating, updating, or deleting objects, to more complex functions like integrating with external systems. Activity rules are powerful tools for implementing complex logic in Pega. For instance, they are often used for case processing, such as creating a new case instance, routing it, or updating its status. They also play a crucial role in integration tasks, like sending requests to or receiving response from external systems. Plus, they handle various ancillary functions, like logging data or writing to history database. In an activity rule, each component plays a crucial role in defining how the process unfolds. The steps are where the magic happens, with each one representing a specific action within the activity. To keep things organized, labels are assigned to each step, serving as unique identifiers that make it easy to reference or jump between steps as needed. The actions within each step are driven by methods, which perform specific operations like objOpen, propertySet, or call. These methods operate within the context provided by the step page, which essentially serves as the clipboard page that the step acts upon. To ensure clarity and maintainability, a description is included for each step, offering a brief explanation of its purpose, which is invaluable for documentation and readability. Activities in Pega also provide powerful looping mechanisms to manage the flow of execution. For example, you can iterate through pages or elements using loops such as for each page or a for each element in a value list. These loops allow you to apply specific actions across multiple items systematically. In addition to looping, Pega activities offer conditional expressions to control the flow execution. For instance, you can use jump to later step to skip over certain steps and move ahead based on specific conditions, ensuring your process stays efficient. Similarly, skip step allows you to bypass the current step when it's unnecessary and move directly to the next one in sequence. If needed, exit iteration and exit activity give you the flexibility to exit a loop or even terminate the entire activity prematurely, all based on certain criteria. Speaking of managing flow, Pega offers powerful tools like the jump component to precisely control the sequence of steps in your activity. Jump allows you to redirect the flow to a specific step within the activity, either to skip certain steps or re-execute others based on conditions. This helps manage complex logic efficiently. For best practices, keep activities short, ideally under 25 steps, and focused on one task. Whenever possible, use alternative rule types like data transforms instead of activities. Also, minimize hand-coded Java by using standard methods or library functions. Let's quickly review the tabs available in an activity rule, where you can configure various aspects of your activity. Steps tab. This is the heart of the activity, where you define the sequence of operations that will be executed. Each step is carefully structured with methods, conditions, and flow controls to ensure the activity performs as intended. Parameters tab. In this tab, you define the input and output parameters that your activity will use. This allows you to pass data into the activity and return results, making it flexible and reusable across different contexts. Pages and Classes tab. Here, you set up the clipboard pages and their corresponding classes that will be referenced within the activity. This configuration determines the data structure your activity will interact with, ensuring it has the correct context for its operations. Security tab. This tab is where you manage security settings, such as specifying the privileges required to execute the activity and defining the rule set version where the activity is stored. This ensures that only authorized users can run the activity, maintaining the integrity of your application. Test case tab. In this tab, you can define test cases for your activity. This is crucial for validating that the activity functions correctly under various conditions, helping to catch issues before they affect production. Finally, History tab tracks all changes made to the activity over time. This includes details like who made the changes and when, providing a clear audit trail and helping with version control and troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. I hope this overview of activity rules helps you streamline your Pega projects.